It's there. It's a 55-inch TV. So I'm going to attempt to repair it because I plugged it in and it does not power on. I'll probably cut to footage of that. So as you can see, I have it plugged in down here. It's plugged in to the power board and it does not power on with the button, and that is that's no bueno, Mimo. Maybe it does get power because the power board light comes on. Whatever, I'll cut to that. Anyway, here is the board itself. So this is the motherboard for that TV. You can see there, it's SY144 16-1. And when you look that up, SY114 16-1 comes up right there, Walmart. Boom, this is the one that I actually bought. So $49.95. We'll plug that into the TV. We'll see if it actually does anything for us. Okay, so I bought the part. It arrived. We're gonna cleverly cut that shit off with some tape-o. We're gonna hold the camera with in the most rudimentary way possible. Drop that shit on the ground. I'm gonna fucking crack it open. I don't want to drop my phone on the floor, please. Because oh, of course, the tape that I added for identity purposes is let me make sure this also doesn't have okay, so there it is. Incredible. I don't have a knife either right now. We're gonna grab a knife, come back. Back again. I cut it open off camera with some scissors. And we're gonna grab it out of this. Is there more fucking packaging to this? Okay, get that motherboard out of here. First off, we gotta do that bit of ASMR. Get that out of here. We got the product. Let's see. Oh my god, it's not gonna fucking focus. SY144-16. And that should be the same. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of focused. Come on. SY144-16-1. This is the broken board ground. Yes, this is the new board. Oh, right. I removed it from the box. There's the old Johnny right here. And that's our brand new, shiny, clean Johnny. So we're gonna... Now, this is gonna be a bit cumbersome, because I'm trying to, hold this shit kit. Okay, new one, ground. My old one, ground. Okay. So, first step. Get your iFixit kit out. Does this have the fucking bolt? No. Okay, but I did, when I removed it, I marked which head I used, even though, whatever. Whatever. iFixit kit, we're golden, okay? Pop out your dank little screwdriver. Okay, this like holding mechanism isn't very good. Okay. There we go. So, I'm gonna put the new one right there. So you're gonna want to remove the screws. There's about 20 around the, maybe not. So here's the hip trick I got for you, okay? Screw, put it there, right? That's a reference point. So, you take the one off to the right, which I happen to know is a different one because I've taken this damn TV apart too many times. Put it there. Okay? Next one. Right? And then you sort of follow that all the way around so that you never lose track of where your shit goes. Because you don't want to lose track of your screws. So all these ones down here at the bottom are the same. And all the ones on the inside, notice, there's the I/O part. The ones on the inside, like the ones all up and down there are the same. Now, I did have a GoPro lined up. We were gonna grab that on, do something like that, but it was, it's otherwise occupied, or it's hanging out somewhere. I don't know where it is. The GoPro stood me up. So we're gonna have John GoPro himself be right here with me doing this. But anyway, I'm gonna stop the video, remove all these screws. We'll get inside this stupid thing. And that'll be it. Okay, so I've successfully removed every screw along the outside as well as the ones that go right there. And as you can see, they are sort of laid out. So these are the two that are here and here, okay? And then they follow all the way around. The pile in the middle is all these, and then there's the last Johnny right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pry them back off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it incredibly easily with one hand, or if I'm gonna have to, oh no, that's whatever. Okay, so if the motherboard is in, the speaker connector is on, so you wanna lift it up quite slowly. We're gonna lean that up against the wall. And see, I did remove the entire power cord and like all that stuff beforehand as well. So grab our board. I'm gonna place the board on the, now, whenever I took this apart for the first time, well, probably the third time actually. Whenever I took this apart last time, I did put all the screws to the back in the standoffs for the board. Get that out of here. And I'm aware that these screws are all the same as well. You guys hear the one about the motherboard standoff and well, I guess I can put that up here. Two there. Yeah, I guess I'll do it that way. That way. So that is how I will keep track of who's who, what's what in the industry. Okay. How this ground needs to come off. These aren't very tightly done because I did it by hand really hastily to Oh, I could probably just remove. You think I could just remove this by hand? Oh, Rat, that's unoptimal. You're holding a screwdriver and. This is kind of hard to do one-handed. I mean, not really. But these screws aren't in the least bit tight. Those are the 3 motherboard ones. And then, of course, the one on the grounding plate. Let me stand up and pop my back real quick. No. It's going to go on this way. Well, you're going to line it up with the standoffs first. Okay, we've got standoff there. That is the one where the ground goes. So we'll go ahead and screw that in. Where are my screws? Okay, there we go. God. I magnetized it. Which, like, makes this, like, slightly cursed. Please. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing this one-handed. Here, let's... I can't. I gotta put the camera down. Put the screw in. My God, even now, the evil seed of what it's done. Anyway, now the board is secured enough where I would be okay just powering it on right now and making sure that I save 2 screw insertions. But instead of doing that, of course I'm going to test if the thing works before I button up the whole thing. Okay. And then, here's the best part. You got a shitload of wires. Oh my God, look at all this. What are you going to do with this? Oh, well, simple. They're keyed. So they're only going to go in one way and on one connector. They're just going to plunk them all in, plunk them all down. Actually, it's very fucking backwards. Remember what I said about there being one connector and one plug? Well, guess what? Don't listen to me. Actually do, because I was right. Look, check this out. Boom. This one goes here, because I do remember unplugging the speaker from there. Then, let's do the last one. Excuse me? There it is. Okay. So... there we go. We're just gonna pull that through. Plug it in really quick. I'm sorry that this is super cumbersome and stupid. Now you can see the LED's on, and is the LCD working? Boom. So the TV is functional. So now we just turn it off. Unplug it to avoid being killed, and then close it up, button up the whole thing, And then I'm for 50-inch TV for $59.95. Wow. Okay, so turned it on, or plugged it in, flipped it over. We're gonna power button. Wait a second. Boom! Westinghouse logo, which is kind of weird actually. Select language. Welcome to HDTV Setup Wizard. Now, all this left to do is buy a stand, because I don't have a stand for it, of course. It looks like a couple of... Yeah, it looks like the LCD's a little bit goofed. Might be able to be remedied. It really looks goofed when you look at it from that shitty angle. Whatever. I have a new TV that is functional. It does power on. It is a little bit fucked, but whatever. Who cares? New TV. I paid. How much did I pay for this? Let's plunk open Chrome and then see there. $49.95. 55-inch LCD TV. And that's it, I guess. And there's just not much else to say about it.